Whew. Blizzard cleanup. About a 1.5 to 2 feet. All the way down to the pigeon coops. Clean. You can see over here. We were out here 6 o'clock this morning, me and my father. Here's the path. Cut 2 paths on. Driveway's done. You can see here how much snow. Take a look at that. Hold on. Let me put my leg up against it. Here's my knee. That's how much snow came. We got a walking path here. And another one here. Got to shovel this little bit off. Looks like snow blinded. I got to shovel this car off. Let's take a look at the road. I guess you can call that about 1.5 feet. That's so much snow. Got to clean off that car and bring that car over here next to the van. Then I got to snow blow the bottom of the driveway. The great blizzard of 2026. I think today is January 26th. January 26th, 2026. This was a little difficult up here. Look how big this berm is up here they made. This is over my knee. How's that? That's about 2 feet. There's the carport. There's the carport buried. That's staying buried for a couple weeks. Or maybe later. I can get the snowblower and push it off the back. Let me see. Yeah, I could do that. I can get the snowblower and make one parking space. I can come out here and push it that way. Off the back of the carport. But as you can see, look at that. Look how much snow's over here. I gotta fucking shovel out the mailbox. Ooh, I said that word. Or they're not gonna drop the mail off. Definitely gonna say that. Look at that. That guy. Oh, everybody's mailbox is buried. I said a bad word. I got to put a quarter in the swear jar. Uncle Michael has a potty mouth. Look at that. There's the carport. I'll do that later. What's coming down now? Feels like rain. Well, I'm the only one outside documenting it. Everybody else in there with their hot toddy. Look at this. That's a lot of snow. That's about 4 feet to the top of that sign. That's from the plow. This is going to have to be snow shoveled and rock salt or the car's never going to get out. At least it's soft. Only good news is that it's white powder. It's not ice, and it's not heavy. It goes out of the snowblower. If it was that heavy slush, the snowblower don't move that. This is light. All right, now I gotta finish. I gotta clean off that pickup, move it forward, and snowblow the bottom of the driveway. Everybody have a wonderful day off from school. Ciao.